We have 12 pastures, and we have 2 horses on the farm, 67 cows, 17 heifers, 3 bulls, and right now 46 calves. And we're just getting started.
You're just getting started. And that's beautiful, that's beautiful. So tell us, a little bit about yourself. I'm married, how many children?
I am married. I've been married going on 21 years now. I have 4 children, well, 5 children. One was deceased. One of my twins passed, so I have a 18-year-old, a 17-year-old, 15-year-old, and a 13-year-old, 3 boys and a girl.